Hello student, welcome back to our demonstration class. Today we will discuss about mouse setting of control panel. So let's go to the screen and see the demonstration. Click on the start button, go for control panel, okay, and in control panel you see, if I am always saying, if it is in category view, what you have to do? You have to choose large icon. You have to choose large icon. Okay. Then now see, we will go for mouse. Where mouse is there? See, here mouse is there. Here. Okay. Mouse setting you are going to do, no? Here. Click on the mouse. Your mouse properties dialog box will be appear, my dear student. And here, how many tabs are there? Here, 5 tabs are there. Button tabs, pointer tabs, pointer option tabs, wheel tabs and hardware tabs. But according to your syllabus, we will discuss about button tabs and pointer tabs and pointer option tab. Okay. And if it will be there, let me see, if it will be there, we will go for wheels, all tab, other tabs also. But right now we will go for button tabs. Okay, under button tabs, how many checkboxes there? You see, switch, primary and secondary buttons. Switch, primary and secondary button. Do you know by this one what will happen? When you will choose the checkbox, your left mouse button, left mouse switch will work like right and right switch will work like left. So my dear student, very carefully you have to use check this checkbox. Okay, otherwise you will be confused afterward which switch will work like left and which switch will work like right. Okay, my dear student. So be carefully, you have to change the switch. Okay. Afterward, if you want to change, you can change double click to. Now you see another option is there, double click speed. Double click speed means what? If you want to speed your development, suppose you are expert in double clicking, then you speed increase the speed of double click, my dear. Otherwise let it be middle, keep it in middle or make it slow. If you are new, if you are a new user, then it will be better you keep it slow. So if you will give double click slowly also, your program will be open. Otherwise if you will make fast, then if you will not able to give double click fast, then your program will be never open. So it will be quite difficult for you. So it will be better if you are new users, then keep it in middle or keep it slow. So double click, easily you can give a double click and get your task open. Or if you are expert, then make it fast and use your click very fast and fast. Okay. Now we will go for pointer tabs. Under pointer tab, what is there? See, so many options are there. You can change window arrow system scheme also. You can change various arrow magnifying system. So many you can change. But here another customer size is there. Default, use default. Suppose you want to change the busy. When you are giving double click to some icon, no, some busy sign it will show like this symbol you want to see during busy period. Then choose the busy, this sign and apply it. So when you will double click and it will be engaged to open some program, then or it is busy to open a program, then this type of circle will be appear. So that is called busy symbol. Again you want to keep it into default, then you choose the use default key. So again it will come back to default sign. So this is your default sign, like timer, this is your default sign. If you want to make the busy sign as arrow and circle, then working background, this is background sign. Busy sign, this one. You want to change the busy sign, choose the busy sign, browse it, and so many busy sign are there. Here arrow, arrow, so many busy sign is there. That one is up to you which busy sign you want to keep. Okay. Now we will go for pointer option tab. Pointer option tab, what is that? In pointer option tab, select pointer speed means what? Suppose I will make it slow, then when you will move your mouse, no, very slowly pointer will move. very slowly. You see how much slow it is moving. You see how much slow it is moving. When you will make it fast, then it will be faster. When it will choose it fast, then it will be faster. Okay. So be careful, student. Make your pointers. If it will be slow, then you will struggle in moving pointer. Let it be fast. So your mouse pointer will move very fast, and it will be easy for you. Okay, during practicals. Like that, you can choose this box, checkbox, to send your mouse pointer to a default button. Okay, here if you choose the checkbox, then trailing apply means, you see trailing mouse pointer will come. Trailing, so many mouse pointer, trailing point mouse pointer will appear. You see trailing means like a tail it will go. Okay. Now you see trailing, short, long, you can say trailing mouse, trailing pointer. Okay, like that. If you want to hide your pointer, suppose somewhere your pointer is there and you are not able to locate the pointer where it is there. So what will do here? Suppose it is not there, checkbox is not chosen, then, and where my pointer is there, you are not able to locate the pointer, then you choose one time here, show locate location and apply it. You see wherever you will click, then you will see one circle will come, highlighting will come. So like that you can see the location that where your cursor is. Here my cursor means, you see here cursor, look where the cursor is located, that one will be highlighted. So this checkbox you have to use to see the cursor pointer location. Okay, my dear student. Now we will go for sound setting. And one setting of control panel. Start, click on start button, control panel, and here sound setting is there. You go for sound setting. This is the last setting of your session. Now see sound setting where it is there. Here sound setting is there. Okay, this is sound setting. Click on the sound setting. What will happen? Here sound setting dialog box will appear. Here speaker is on or not, speaker, recording, sound, communication, 4 tabs are there. Playback means what? Here speaker is working. Okay, here digital auto speaker is working means, if your speaker is not working means this symbol will not appear. If speaker is not working in your system means this symbol will be, tick mark will be not given. Okay, recording is okay or not? When we will click the recording, this microphone, it is now my voice is going to record. So here it is showing recording sound, tick mark is given, and here you see this volume is going to increase and decrease. That means according to my sound volume it will increase, so sound is going to record. Okay, then sound, here sound tab means what? You can set various sound for opening window one sound, for closing window one sound. Here suppose I want to set opening program one sound. Suppose I want, if I open the minimize, suppose during minimizing of window one sound I want to listen, then what I will do? Choose the minimize button and choose a sound from here. Choose any sound, Tada sound or any sound. That means when you will minimize your window, that sound will be blow. Clear? So this is, you can test also. How it will make sound. Clear? So that like that you can set the sound of various operation inside the windows. Clear? Like that you can set the sound. Another important thing, my dear student, suppose you want to increase the volumes, then another sound. Here you see arrow symbol, you go here, your sound is showing, one icon is showing. No, this icon you click and increase your volume. Volume is very slow, increase or decrease volume of your speaker. This is speaker and this is microphone. Speaker sound you can increase and decrease. Okay, and one thing remember, sometime what happens on the this speaker symbol, if you give a left click and here we will choose again left click, then that will be, speaker will be off. So carefully see whether your speaker is on or off, or microphone is on or off. Here you will click means it will be off, again it will click means it will be on. So if sounds in speaker sound is not coming, little check your sound setting here go to where? Notification area. Okay, click here, sound speaker symbol is there, no? Then speaker 100% is showing, click it and see whether it is cancel. Red sign means cancel. Again you fix it, okay, on it, so your speaker will work as usually. Clear? So this much in this session, my dear student. Thank you, bye.